Have you ever been startled by an eerie screech cutting through the night air? Many people have mistaken this chilling sound for a terrifying supernatural presence. But it's not a ghostly figure. It's the piercing call of the eastern screech owl. Found throughout North America, these small but vocal owls can produce a range of haunting sounds, from soft trills to intense screeches. The mystery lies in their adaptability. Despite urbanization, they thrive by nesting in tree cavities and can even be found in city parks. So, the next time you hear a ghostly wail in the darkness, remember, it may just be nature's mysterious and tiny night predator.